Hi friends! Today's As Seen on TV video is actually not about a product. It's going to blow your mind because it's a demonstration. What if I told you that your boxes they get kind of weary and sometimes the flap just doesn't hold your box together the way you want it to? Well, what if I told you you didn't have to live like this? Now, I'm not OCD, so frankly living like this doesn't bother me, but I know it bothers some of you. So what if there was a way you could have all of your boxes look like this with a nice clean edge? Well, this has been floating around the internet for a minute, but I haven't seen it in a while, so I thought I would demonstrate it for you today for those of you that have not seen this super cool little technique. So I'm going to take a couple of boxes and I'm going to show you how to get this nice crisp edge on all of your boxes. I have my Raisin Bran box here, and I'm going to take the side that does not have a little lip here, and I'm going to tuck it in to the box. I'm going to tuck that in. Next, I'm going to take the sides and I'm going to push them in and create, I'm going to bring it up to the camera so you can see, I'm going to create this on both sides where I tuck it in, tuck that side in. You may have to go about a third of the way down the box. So create just that little indentation there so you have the indentation. Next, I'm going to take the flap that's up and I'm going to tuck it in to the side that's furthest away. I'm going to take it. Now you may have to maneuver it just a bit when you first do this to your box. So I'm going to tuck that in, and voila, look at that. Pretty nifty. So now I have my boxes are closed, they're secure, and they just look a lot better than having a box that's just open. So I'll show you one more time with this box. Now this box doesn't have one of those kind of little lips on it like the Raisin Bran box did, but I'm still going to follow the same instructions. I'm going to choose a side that I want to tuck all the way in. I'm going to push my sides in and again create that little indentation there. And again, I went about a third of the way down the box. Now some of these boxes are going to be a little harder to manipulate than others. That was almost a hard word to say. And just like I did with my Raisin Bran box, I'm now going to take the flap that's up and I'm going to tuck it into the furthest indentation that I created. Now again, you have to maneuver it a little bit the first time you do it. Look at that. So for my OCD friends out there, this video is for you because now you can take all of your boxes and look at these clean lines. Ooh, ah, ooh, ah. Clean lines, friends. For my OCD friends out there, this video is for you.